Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please, everyone.
This meeting is being recorded.
Right, guys? Slash is compulsory, guys. Sir, theme lifts are not recognized. That means you have not placed properly, right? You have not placed locations properly, Riza. If you use all default thing, it will be recognized automatically. Yes. Today, first we will discuss about how to configure various servers in what? Spring Boot MVC application as embedded servers, right? Yeah, what's our batch code? 1102. 1102 Spring Boot MVC. Tell me here what is there, guys. Sir, you don't decide everything is clear. Let the IDE decide everything is clear or not. Come out of this attitude, Arun K. Can you question compiler? Hey, compiler, everything is perfect. Why are you giving errors? It's like spitting. It is like spitting on the sun. Questioning compiler or declaring my code is perfect, still errors are coming is like what? Spitting on the sun. If you try to spit on the sun, what happens? I think you are well versed on that, right? Please don't tell. I hate this statement. My code is perfect, errors are coming. No, code is somewhat problem, that's why errors are coming. Tell you to yourself. The day it is executed, compiled, no errors. Yes, that's called attitude problem. Thinking yourself as a big. You are not above compiler, you are not above interpreter, right? Oh, sadly saying, Everything clear, sir, but errors are coming. That means compiler is doing mistake exclusively for Varuna. Compiler is having what? Personal grudge on you, right? You have taken girlfriend of compiler. That's why it is taking revenge on you, right? Dirty fellow, you and your thought process. Should be employee slash home in place of employee. For home page not required. If your handler method request path is home, you have to write home. If your handler method request path is slash employee slash is enough, right? Ayyo. Every day fresh day for these people, Ravavu. Yeah, where is this guys? 19th. Interceptor second topic. 18th. Where is 18th topic? Okay, 19th interceptors. Before interceptor, servers is there, guys. Servers. Servers, where this side is there? Where is servers? Oh, on 19th, two documents are there. But it has to be changed to 20th. Yeah. What's the tomorrow's plan, guys? No 11 a.m. session, 7 p.m. session, offline and online together. But Sunday, it is going to be 7:30 a.m. It is going to be what, guys? 7:30 a.m. Is it okay? 7:30 a.m. to 9. Last two sessions of MongoDB, please do attend. Okay, boss. Sunday online, boss. Sunday online. Okay, guys. Tomorrow 11 a.m. is not there. Only two sessions are required for MongoDB. Okay, evening 7 p.m. and okay. Madam, I said 7 a.m. tomorrow, 7 p.m. tomorrow, Sunday. This one. Okay, no 11 a.m. session. No 11 a.m. session, boss. Okay, that's great. Servers in what? Spring Boot applications. Servers in Spring Boot applications. Tell me here what is there? Spring Boot MVC or Spring Boot REST application can be deployed and executed in two types of servers. Number one, Spring Boot web embedded servers. Okay, guys, external servers. These are good to use because they come along with what? Application itself. They come along with what? Application itself. Embedded servers are part of Spring Boot application. Spring Boot applications execution. What is that? External servers are what, guys? External servers are separately installed servers in the machine. Yeah, what are the embedded servers we have got in Spring Boot, guys? Okay. Yeah, Apache, Tomcat, Eclipse, Jetty, JBoss, under Tau. What is that? JBoss under Tau. Okay, next. External servers, guys. Lot of servers. Some of them are application servers, some of them are what? Web servers. Tomcat, Jetty, Wildfly, Glassfish, Undertow, WebLogic, WebSphere, JBoss. Number one, Wildfly. Number two, Glassfish. Number three, Tom. But overall, Tomcat is there in both places, right? Up to 6 version, Tomcat is web server. from 7 version what? Application server, right? In fact, any Java based web server or application server can be used. Web server is a subset of application server numbers. Okay, Java web server application examples. Tomcat up to 6.x, next Jetty, then Jonas, okay, Undertow, etc. Application servers, guys, Wildfly, Glassfish, WebLogic, WebSphere, JRun, Oracle 10G AS. Next one, Tomcat 7.x onwards. What is that? Tomcat 7.x onwards. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Application server is equal to web server plus EJB container plus other containers plus lots of middleware services. Nothing but security, transaction management, logging, auditing. These are called what? Middleware services. What services, guys? Middleware. Okay, guys. Tell me. Logging, auditing, security, and etc. And what? Etc. And etc. Application server is equal to web server plus EJB container plus other session, lots of middleware services. Spring Boot is not given to develop what? EJB component. So we don't need EJB container for what? Spring applications. That is the reason no embedded servers are application servers in Spring. Spring Boot is giving how many embedded servers, guys? Tomcat, Eclipse, JBoss. All of them are web servers only, na? Interestingly, to execute RESTful application, web servers are sufficient. Web application, web servers are sufficient, right, boss? So, no need of using application servers. So, in application servers also, web server properties are there. Okay? That's why we can manage Spring Boot any application max to max with what? Web server. That's the reason they have given only web servers as what? Embedded servers. Spring Boot is given to develop standalone application or a core module application, a web application, MVC application, distributed application, next module, RESTful web services, which are generally packaged as what? JAR files or WAR files. So to deploy and execute Spring Boot MVC application, Spring REST application, there is no need of Java based application server. We can manage with Java based web servers. For this reason, they have not given any application server as embedded servers in Spring Boot. As embedded servers in Spring Boot. I hope you convinced with this, guys. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? What is this, guys? EAR file, Enterprise Application Archive. EAR is nothing but JAR file plus WAR file. EJB component plus web application. Now EAR file is popular? No. Why? No EJB. In the place of EJB, what has come? Web services. Web service also WAR file only, na? Okay. Spring Boot does not support EAR files deployment. Generally, we need application server to deploy and execute what? EAR file. So to deploy and execute Spring Boot MVC, Spring REST applications, come on. We just need web servers like Tomcat, Jetty, Undersaw, and etc. In order to work with other embedded servers in Spring Boot MVC application, we need to disable Spring Boot Tomcat starter dependency from pom.xml file. And we need to add other embedded server starters dependencies to pom.xml. That means, I already said one statement, guys. Okay, how exactly we are commenting ECP jar in order to work with other connection pools, right, boss? Similarly, if you want to work with other than Tomcat, you have to comment what? Tomcat starter jar, and you have to add other servers related jars or not, guys? Okay, boss. Now listen. To place a static content, that means public content, either you can use web app folder or you can also use a static folder of resources folder. Because if though you kept in static folder of resources folder main slash java slash resources, okay, that will definitely go to what, guys? Come on, that will definitely go to what, guys? I want reply web app folder. Internally that will go to what? Web app folder only. We can place static content in Spring Boot MVC application in static folder of, come on, src slash main slash resources folder. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Give me 1 minute, guys. Yes, guys, come on. We can place static content in Spring Boot MVC application. In what folder? Static folder of src main resources folder, right? Static content means what, guys? CSS, JS, images, HTML, audio, video, and etc. files, guys. Come on, everyone, got it? Super, boss. Tell me here, SRC main resources. Come on. Under this, what is there? Static. There, what is there? Images, HTML, CSS, JS. Under images, these many things are there. Under HTML files, CSS star.css, JS star.js. Come on. This is happening or not happening, boss? In most of servers like index.html placed in what? Static folder of src main resources folder will be taken as what? Default welcome file. src main resources folder will be taken as what? Default welcome file. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Tell me here what is there. So ultimately what I'm trying to say, you can keep HTML files in static folder. That is what I'm trying to say. Or you can also keep in what? Web app folder. Yes, guys. Tell me. If we add Spring Boot Web Starter by selecting Spring Web towards what? Towards creating Spring Boot project, then Spring Boot Tomcat starter dependency will be coming automatically, which gives embedded Tomcat server. Definitely, na boss. Which gives embedded Tomcat server. Dependency opening and what? Closing, guys. Come on. Group ID, artifact ID, scope is Tomcat version 6 web server from 7 onwards what? Application server. In recent versions of Spring, it is coming an independent and separate starter. Which one? Tomcat starter, guys. Earlier used to come as the dependent jar file of what? Web starter, guys. So first of all, you have to comment, guys. It is coming here. It is means what, guys? It is means what? Tomcat server dependency. What server dependency, guys? Tomcat server dependency. Okay, guys. Tomcat server dependence. Definitely what guys? Tomcat server dependence. To work with Jetty as the embedded server in Spring Boot application. Disable Spring Boot starter Tomcat dependency from pom.xml guys. In old version, okay, you have to depend it. In new version, it is coming through web, but as a dependent. Then you have to go for exclusion option now, boss. You have to go for exclusion option or not, guys? Come on. Okay. So now let's do that. This is our Eclipse IDE, boss. Yeah. Let me launch it. Where is this, guys? 1102 launch. Close all editors. Super. New. Tell me. New. Where is this? Spring Starter project. Maven. Okay. I want to work with embedded server. Jar is also enough. But if we take where, we can work with both. Okay. That's great. Okay, boss. Tell me. Boot MVC. What is there? Boot MVC pros. What is there? 14. Boot MVC pros 14. What is there? Servers. Say next. I am adding web module now, boss. Spring web module. Right, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Rakesh, why are you behaving like as if you have not seen jar soul so far? Huh? Rakesh, why are you talking nonsense, right? If you take jar, only embedded servers. Okay, if you want to configure any external server, where is required? Don't behave as if you have not seen jar file based application so far. One day, because of Lambda KPI problem, right? We failed to get option of working with what? External server, right? That time we have worked with the jar option only, right, boss? Okay, fine. Let him make happy. Let him make happy. Okay. Say next. Spring Web is taken now, boss. Finish. Okay. Tell me here what is there, guys. Come on, everyone. Boot MVC process servers, right? Okay. Yeah, we are getting this error related to Lambda KPI means. Here is my what? .xml, guys. Here is my what? Pom.xml, guys. Come on. Yeah, tell me next one. Where is this? Annotation path we have to comment now, boss. Why it is not coming? We have not added Lambak, but why error is coming about Lambak? Okay, let it be. Yeah, Lambak is not added, but then why is giving error? Okay. Yeah, by default, I will go to static folder here. Resources, static, right click, new. What is there, guys? New, others. What is there, guys? HTML. Oh, okay, guys. Tell me. Index.html. Say next, say finish. Style. What is there? Color colon red. What is there? Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. Okay, some HTML file. Because HTML file becomes what? Default welcome file automatic. If you are interested, you can take it as a JSP also. That's not a problem. Because index.html, index.jsp are what? Default welcome files, right? Yes. Right click, guys. Tell me. Run on server. Okay, it's a Java application only. Why so? Because we have taken as a standalone. Right click, guys. Run on Java application. 8080 is already in use. So embedded Tomcat by default uses which port number? 80. Why in my system port number 8080 is already occupied by what? One or other service belongs to Arakil or not, guys. So what should I do? Go to application.properties. What is there? Server port number. What is there? Server port number 4041. 4041. All right. Run as a Java application. Server port number 4041. Right, guys. Yeah, it's my friends group, guys. Leave it. Okay. Yeah, there is a work with that window, I will tell. Because we got a new common topics link. They have sent me here. Chitti Babu. Yes, guys. This is a common topics link, a new common topics link that is exclusive for 2 batches. Others cannot join. Right, because that Narendra Modi headache is gone. Okay, fine. Where is this? Let me paste in the Google Drive first. In both Google Drives, guys. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Here is my what, guys? Here is my what, guys? 16.8. Where is that? Common topics. Common topics meeting ID. Come on, guys. Ah, yeah. This is the old link, right? Okay. Yeah. This is the link. This is the meeting ID. This is the password. Okay. But the same thing is required where, guys? Come on. Same thing is required where? File. Okay. Okay. Here saving will not be there. Yeah. 7 p.m. batch. I think this is already I shared in 7 p.m. No. 7 p.m. video link for common topics, right? Common topics link. Is it not the document? Seven p.m. Where I given earlier, guys? Common topics link. Eight zero 80. Fine. So we got them, guys. Come back. Yeah. Server number. This is not fixed, guys. Any port number you can take. Right now, embedded Tomcat is running on this one, guys. 4041. Any context path slash. You want to get context path, what should I do? Server.servlet.context path. Context path for web application. Server.servlet. What is there? Context path. Server.servlet.context path. Tell me here what is there? Where is this? Test web app 1. What is that, guys? Test web app 1, boss. Simply what, guys? Test web app 1. Okay. Right. Okay. Right click. Run as. What is that? Java application. Okay. It is running on so and so context path now, boss. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. 2 minutes, guys. Some release is going on. Okay, let it be. Open this, guys. Tell me here. Done. Okay. Here, what is there? HTTP. What is there, guys? 4041. Here is a context path. Test. HTTP 4041. Next, test web app 1. What guys? Test web app 1. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. What is there? Welcome to Spring Boot M. This is done or not done, guys? Okay. Go to dependency hierarchy tab in pom.xml. Okay. See, this is right now Tomcat, but right now I'm looking for what, guys? This time no error cause no JSP file this time. No, sir. It's not. See, for HTML, no view resolver, nothing is required, right? And moreover, index.html, index.jsp are default welcome file in most of the servers are not there. That's why it is working, boss. Somesh Panda. It's working because it is taken as what? Default welcome file. Okay, maybe you are not aware of that point. Let me add one point here. In most of the server, I cannot say in WebLogic kind of server. In most of the servers, in most of the web servers are application servers. Okay, guys. In most of the web servers are what? Application servers. Web servers are application server. The default welcome file for the Java web application is what is that? Index.html. Index.html or index.jsp. Index.html or index.jsp. Index.html. But right now I am not interested to work with the Tomcat. I want to work with what? I want to work with what? Come on. I want to work with what? JW. Ready, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, see Spring Boot starter web, but are we getting Tomcat starter separately? Are we getting Tomcat starter separately, guys? Come on. We are not getting Tomcat starter separately. Okay. Here just what is there? Web is there. Here what is there? Here simply what is there, guys? Web is there. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Super, guys. Come on, everyone. But we want to comment Tomcat, not the entire one. So for that one, we have to go for exclusion option or not, guys. So dependency hierarchy. Okay, Spring Boot starter web. Somewhere down, you will see Spring Boot starter Tomcat, guys. Spring Boot starter Tomcat somewhere. Come on. Spring Boot starter Tomcat somewhere. Come on. Spring Boot starter Tomcat. Is there na? Okay. Right click. Okay. Exclude Maven artifact. Save okay. Only Tomcat got missed, guys. Go to regular pom.xml, guys. Only Spring Boot starter Tomcat gone na, boss? Okay. In the list of jars, Tomcat starter will not be there. Okay, that's great. But we have to bring Jetty related starter na, boss. Okay, go to this place. Tell me. mvnrepository.com. Okay. Spring Boot starter. What is there? Jetty. Spring Boot starter Jetty. Okay. Luckily, we have directly available. Yes, 3.4.0 something. There, copy. Here, what? Paste. There copy, here paste. Dependencies section, opening and closing. So here I will add Jetty related starter box. But listen, when you configure Jetty server, server.port will become port number of Jetty server. When you configure Tomcat server, server.port will act as port number of what? Tomcat server. Getting my point there or not there? Super. Save this one, boss. Come on. Right. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. What is there, guys? Java application. Again, it is running. Now, when this situation rises, project clean, okay. Project clean, okay, boss. Project clean, okay. Yeah. Right click, run on Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Super, guys. Come on, everyone. All right. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC application. But this is running on what? Jetty server or Tomcat server. Check it out. Jetty started on port number 4041. That means we are able to configure Jetty also. For testing purpose, I am taking just index.html. Don't worry, right? Okay. Yeah. Sir, you have not added Tomcat embedded Jasper. HTML no, need not to add. If you want to work with the JSP, again you have to add those Jaspers and other stuff. Right. Okay, now I would like to work with the Janus server. Janus. Okay. Okay. How to work with the Janus server, guys? Come on. Comment this, guys. What is special in Jetty? One more server from competitor. No special. Okay. Someone uses Lux soap, someone uses Pear soap, someone uses what? Some other soap. All are soaps only. If someone likes flavor, someone likes price, someone likes what? Availability. Yes or no? Na? Right. All are lightweight servers only, but see, once one requirement is there in the market, so many vendor comes with so many options. Different software company uses different servers. So to tell that we are ready to work with any server, we are learning this. Nothing special, nothing bad, guys. Maybe some of them are quite lightweight, some of them are free, some of them are having 1-2 extra features, right? But I don't think Jetty is having great features compared to what? This one. Tomcat is best. We already declared Tomcat is best, right? Okay. In embedded Jetty also you have to add. Everywhere Tomcat, embedded Jasper you have to add. Maybe you have to search for embedded Jetty Tom. Embedded Jetty Jasper, guys. Fine. So we got it, guys. So now I am commenting this, guys. I'm commenting this, guys. Come on, everyone. I am commenting this. After that, what next? After this, what is next one we require, guys? Jonas. Okay. Okay, first you have to go to mvnrepository.com. Here you search for what? Jonas. Here you search for Jonas. Okay, Jonas. Okay, Spring Boot starter. Spring Boot starter. Come on, join us. Jonas. Jonas is not coming? No. We'll see what is the starter name they're adding. Oh, JBoss under tau. Sorry. There is no Jonas server, guys. They have given what? JBoss under tau as the embedded. Here, what is the one I have listed? JBoss under tau. It's my mistake. I thought Jonas. Okay. Yeah. Tell me JBoss under tau. Spring Boot starter under tau na boss. Spring Boot starter. What is there? Under tau. Click on search. Here is what? Spring Boot starter under tau. Copy this, guys. Come on. Are you getting my point there, guys? Group ID, artifact ID, here is what? Version. Here is version. Okay, that's great. Here is what? Group ID. Here is what? Artifact ID. Here is my pom.xml, guys. Simply what? Pom.xml. Super. Okay. Spring Boot starter under tau. What is there? Spring Boot starter under tau. Okay, that's really great, guys. Come on. Boot MVC pros 14 server application.java. Okay. After that, what next, guys? Right click, run as, where is this? Java. Because we commented everything and it is running, boss. Run as, what is there? Java application. Yeah, look at the message. Oh, 1 minute. You just clean once, guys. Then only changes it is taking. Otherwise, it is not taking the changes. Yeah, run as Java application. Test web app 1. What is there? Test web app 1. Okay, refresh. Output is coming now, boss. Yeah, tell me here. Tell me here what is there. Test web app 1. Clear? Test web app 1. Okay, all these are interlinked or not, boss? All these are definitely interlinked or not. Super. If all three embedded server dependency starters are true, added to pom.xml, then which Spring Boot application runs with which server, guys? Tomcat, guys. Because if all are there, first priority to Tomcat, Right. If not there, Jetty. If that is also not there, okay. Now let me enable all the three things, guys. Okay. First of all, you observe what the message is giving. Under tau started, right? Okay. Stop it. I am enabling dependency here. Nice. I am enabling dependency here, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. Springboard starter under tau. Springboard starter jetty. Tell me here, what is that? Dependency hierarchy. Yeah, I have to comment or remove exclusion related to Tomcat server. This. Okay, guys. Tell me. Right click, run as Java application. Clean the project. Clean the project. Run as Java application. Run as Java application. Okay, guys. Test web app 1. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC application, right? Okay. That's great. Okay, it is running with which server? That really matters for me. Okay, it is running with the Tomcat only, na? Yeah, that's good. Okay, this is about working with server. You take a full-fledged application, you can run in what? Servers also. Okay, to avoid the time saving, I just take an index.html. Clear? Okay, now listen. You take a mini project, boss. Temporarily, you take a mini project or yesterday's project, right? Which is running in embedded Tomcat or external Tomcat. See, guys, this is mini project theme leaf. Mini project theme leaf. I am running it. I am running in what? External Tomcat, guys. But I don't want to use server manager connection pool. Let me confirm. I am using what? JDBC driver. All these are there means what? I am using okay. Hikari CP kind of connection pool, standalone connection pool only, right? Okay. Just a minute. Let me take a copy of it so that you will get the feeling that topic is also covered, right? Yeah, what's the number, guys? 15. Mini project here, theme leaf, that does not matter, my dear. Okay, not servers, there is a concept called dev tools. There is a concept called dev tools. Servers topic is over. 3 embedded servers are there, we are going. So our external servers are not required because we can happily manage with what? Embedded server. Or whatever knowledge you gained in advanced Java, how to configure glassfish, how to configure wildfly, same procedure here. Nothing great, nothing less, right? Okay. Yeah, tell me. Copy this. How to change in the project context path now, boss? Properties, guys. Tell me here. Web project settings, guys. Say paste, boss. Apply. Apply, close. Okay, guys. Apply, close. Here is what? Boot MVC project 15 mini project dev tools, guys. Boot MVC project 15 mini project dev tools. Clear? Got it? Yeah. Now, what's the time to understand this? Why there? Come on. Here is my Java resources. Here is my what? Java resources, guys. Tell me here what is there. com.nt.controller entity repository service. What is there, guys? Repository service. In this place, pom.xml is there or not there? In this place, pom.xml is there or not there? Okay, everything is regular, boss. I am running the application in external server. Run on server. Say Tomcat. Say next. Where is this? Remove all. Say finish. Say OK. Say finish. Say OK. Yeah. Tell me here what is there? Shows report. Yes. Number 1. Number 2. Here we are getting output there or not? Here we are getting the output or not, guys? Come on, everyone. We are definitely getting output, boss. Come on, everyone. Understanding my point? 3, 4, 5. Right. This output. Okay, now I modify a little bit source code. Can I modify a little bit source code, guys? Yeah, go to this resources, static, what is there? Employee edit.html. Okay, form page 1, something I modified. I'm not restarting the server, boss. Okay, come here. Okay, this one, boss. Here, what is there? Edit the form page. Form page 1 is coming. In external server, whenever we modify the source code, that is reflecting or not. Java code reflects. Normal code reflect. That is there in the Eclipse IDE, boss. That feature is there in what? Eclipse IDE. Let me try to modify some Java code this time. Okay. So where is Java code, guys? Here. Employee service IMPL. Somewhere I want to change Java code. Employee registered oblique saved. Some change I am doing, boss. I am not restarting the server. Observe. Recognizing changes, it automatically booting the thing. It is automatically rebooting the server or not. That is the speciality that is there between Eclipse and external Tom. What is there, guys? Eclipse and external Tomcat. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Eclipse and external Tomcat. That's a relationship that is there. That is a tie-up that is there, guys. Come on, everyone. Understanding my statement, boss. Come on. Now, let's see, guys. Let's see what we can do, boss. Go to this place. Okay. This one. Go back, guys. Here I am going for add employee. There. Okay. Location. Something. Job. What is there? Clerk. Next. Salary. What is there, guys? 7,800. Click on what? Register. Saved has come now. So while working with external Tomcat, if you observe very carefully, modification done in Java source code, HTML source code, JSP source code is automatically recognized and automatically reloading the server. redeploying the web application, right? That's why changes are reflecting. Okay, same setup, guys. I will go for as embedded Tomcat. I'll run the same application through what? Embedded Tomcat. Let's check, guys. Right click. 1 minute. What's the project number here? 15. Project number here 15. Say yes. Right click, tell me, run on Java application. Run on Java application. Okay, that's great. Run on Java application. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Tell me here, what is the story, boss? Okay, now I run the application. Is there any context path for this application? Mini project app. Local host, what is there? Mini project app. Shows report. What is there, guys? Shows report. Here I am. Okay, project is in running mode. This time I have gone to HTML file. What is there? Same place HTML file. Two. What is there? Two. Edit employee form page 2. Edit employee form page 2. Are you with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay. Tell me here, what is there, guys? This. Edit employee form page 2 is coming or not? Coming or not coming? HTML changes are reflected, though I modify. Okay, let's come to Java code, guys. Yeah, service IMPL. Okay, saved or saved. Okay, now I am going back to original one. Resisted only. This is also modification, na? Any modification is modification. Okay, observe, modification done for a long time. Is it recognizing the changes? No. Is it reloading the web application? No. So that's why what happened, guys. If you go back, guys, if you click on this, okay, next one, right, Miller, okay, job manager, next what, some figure, click on register. So registered oblique saved came. That means modification taken or not taken. That is the big problem that is there in embedded Tomcat. In fact, any embedded server addressing this problem, they have given one starter called dev tools. What is there, guys? Addressing this problem, they have given one concept called, one starter called dev tool, development tools kind of thing. Once this starter added, what happens, in the internet, it will create one parallel server. Lot of hangama is there internally. Internet, it will create one parallel online server, right? Okay, na boss? Their new code changes will be taken. There executes, okay boss, there execute, and those changes will be given to current server and current server will show them. Current server will show them. Really, sir? Okay. You want to have the technical knowledge of internals? Okay, first feel it, then you will understand. Okay, stop this, guys. First time I am adding, stop this. Right click, Spring, add dev tools. What is there, guys? Add dev tools. Definitely add what? Dev tools. In pom.xml, tell me here, what is there? Dev tools. Spring Boot dev tools. Clear guys, got the point my dear. Come on everyone. So here purely DevTools concept we are using or not boss? Right click, run on server. Okay. Problem is with what? This only. Right click guys, run as Java application. Initially we execute, we see what is coming. Okay. Changes are not taken boss. Clean and build the project once. You have to clean and build the project once. Right click, tell me. Java application. And a context path still old one only. Fine, no problem. Come to this guys. Mini project guys. Refresh. Okay. Okay, this is already running application. Now I'm trying to modify the source code. Go to service IMPL. Every time only this, why should I modify? There are so many things now. Employee details. Employee is updated or edited. I'm taking edit related message I'm taking. See guys, now the moment I modify, it is recognizing the changes and reloading the application. Tomcat server is restarted. Come on. Something is happening now, boss, internally. Something is happening internally or not, guys? Okay, now come here. Click on this. Okay, Mukesh 1. Click on edit employee. Editor are updated. I think now onwards, it's better to add DevTools also in your project. As another additional starter, better to have DevTools, external Tomcat, no tension. In embedded also for HTML, JSP, no tension. Tension is there with what? Java code. To make changes done in Java code, getting recognized immediately without reloading server, or to see server reloading the web application automatically. Better to add DevTools or not, guys? External not required. So many things are external automatic. Now why are you adding? I am not adding for external boss. It is adding what? Right. Superna boss. Okay, how does it do? It internally gives one online live server. There it takes the changes and reflects to what? Okay, this server, some master slave concept kind of thing. What is that, guys? Master slave. This one. Okay. But it's not a great, already external server is doing. Okay, now you want to see, okay, internals of Spring Boot starter DevTools. Internals of Spring Boot starter DevTools. Yeah, there. Spring Boot starter DevTools. Overview of Spring Boot starter DevTools na boss. Okay, live reload, right now? What is there? Live reload. We'll cover following topics. One topic is what? Automatic restart, live reload, all this stuff. Okay, automatic restart. A typical application development environment, developer would make some changes, build the project, new changes take effect, or else leverage Rebel, JRebel, also something. DevTools, this process is automated whenever file change in class path, application using Spring DevTools, right? Will cause application to restart. The benefit of this feature is time required to verify changes made is considerably reduced. Live reload. Spring Boot DevTools module includes what? Embedded live reload server that is used to trigger a browser refresh when resource is changed. For this to happen, tell me guys, browser, in the browser we need to install what? Live reload plugin. One such implementation of what? Remote live reload. Or by doing some settings in browser web page also automatically changes guys. Come on. But we are already enjoying all automatic reload concept or not guys? Fine. Oh, okay. Now let's see the story. Here is the story. Generally, when we do source code changes in Spring Boot MVC REST application, we need to restart the server to reflect the changes. Some IDEs like Eclipse automatically reloads the web application for code changes, but is not so effective. Sometimes, which again forces us to clean project, restart the IDE. The additional activities. Sometimes these IDs will not recognize changes done in static content, especially what? CSS files and JS files. To overcome this problem and simply to recognize code modification in the development mode of the project, it is recommended to add what? Spring Boot DevTools dependency to pom.xml, right? When we are running web application or distributed application in embedded server environment, the changes done in source code will not reflect in what? Deployed applications automatically. For this, we need to add what? DevTools starter, which moves current application to parallel live server and there executes the code by reloading the application. Yes, guys. Yeah. We can add this starter as dependency while creating project or after creating project like this. The moment we try to save changes done in .java file using save button, the DevTool recognizes the changes in .class file and internally uses some live parallel server to reflect the changes by restarting the server and reloading the application. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay, listen guys, external Tomcat, okay, in external Tomcat, that is linked with, in external Tomcat that is linked with what guys? In external Tomcat that is linked with Eclipse ID. Okay, the code changes okay will be reflected automatically. What guys? Will be reflected automatically. The code changes will be reflected automatically. Okay, though DevTools is not added. What is that? DevTools starter is not added. Is not added. Got it, guys? Okay. To bring same effect. What, guys? To bring same effect. To bring same effect for embedded Tomcat server, we need to use what guys? For embedded Tomcat server, we need to use what is there? What is there, guys? We need to add DevTools starter. DevTools starter. In external Tomcat, anyhow, it is already happening. That's why we don't bother about that. Yeah. What's the difference between web server and application server? I think from the beginning I'm saying I'll give multiple differences between what? Web server and application server in coming days. Okay, here are the differences. It is given to deploy and execute only web application and web service based distributed application. It is given to deploy and execute web application, distributed application, web service based, EAB based, and enterprise application. Developed based on Servlet JSP technologies of JWE module. Developed based on what? Servlet JSP, JMS, JAS, so many technologies, guys. Gives Servlet container and JSP container. Gives Servlet container, JSP container, and EAB container. Right, boss? Okay, next. Gives very less middleware services, security, logging, transaction management, and etc. Gives more and more middleware services, security, login, transaction management, auditing, mailing, health checks, and etc. Boss, come on. Hello, only HTTP protocols, right? Hello, HTTPS, JRMP, SMTP, IMAP, POP3 and etc. protocol. There are many kind of application, na? That's why many protocols. Suitable for small scale web application and distributed application. Suitable for medium scale and large scale web application and distributed application. Does not support messaging activities. Messaging based communication between applications are not possible. Supports messaging based application using what? JMS. Does not give built-in mail server. Okay, application servers gives what? Built-in mail server. Bit lightweight size wise, guys. Okay, bit heavyweight because many facilities na boss. Example, up to Tomcat 6 web server, Jetty, Resin, join us. What is that? Join us. Under Tau, what is there? Under Tau and etc. WebLogic, WebSphere, come on. Oracle 10G AS, Oracle 10G database, but AS is what? Application server. JRun, Glassfish, Wildfly, and etc. Same thing. Reliance company is popular for textile business internal initially, but they used same Reliance to promote their business in other sectors. Yes or no? Na? Okay, similarly, Oracle 10G is popular database. That's why they decided to use same name for application server so that people will connect easily because they already believed what? Oracle 10G as the database software. 10G AS is application server, nowhere related to what? Database software. Clear, boss? With this we got idea about whole process now? Right. Okay. So this is about working with what? Servers, dev tools, and difference between what? Web server and application server. Again, you need not to mug up all the differences, guys. Few differences you remember. That's more than enough. Right. Okay. Let's go for, where is this, guys? What's your batch code? Yeah, another 2-3 sessions are there in MVC module, guys. Okay, interceptors are there, internationalization is there, few concepts are there, right? Okay, after that we'll move to Spring REST. Anyhow, parallelly, see Spring Core, Spring Boot Core, Spring Data JPA, Spring MVC, I mean to say Spring Boot MVC. Next, what is there? Spring REST microservices. These are the main topics. Weekend topics are multiple. Some of them are 1 weekend, some of them are 2 weekends. Can we configure it in Eclipse IDE like external Tomcat server? If you want to work with other external server, I think you might have studied in Servlet classes how to configure JBoss, Wildfly server, same story, guys. If not studied, I'll provide video, boss. Okay, right. If you want to configure any number of external servers, you can configure. Only the thing is you have to install and configure. I'll show options, boss, then you will shock. Okay, window menu, not this. Where is that? Preferences. Window preferences. Where is that? Server. Oh, okay. Total, how many days you take? Two topics, sir. Okay. I already said, don't ask me number of session. Total sessions minus completed session. Raju, last warning. Every day you are asking this question. I am telling the same answer. Fine. So what do you mean, guys? If I say 3 session, though discussion extended, your doubts are extended, I should complete in 3 session? What do you expect? Okay. Super. Here is what? Server. First install. How I am installing Tomcat? Install other servers, right? Runtime environment. Here add option is there. What is there, guys? Okay. Sir, Sonar Lint is part of DevOps course. DevOps course we are converting, working with that. And if you have taken full stack program, placement program, DevOps is part of your course or not, guys? Yes or no, na? Please, at least you know what comes under which category, right? Dirty fellows. Sonar Lint you are saying, but you know it's a code analysis tool and we learn as part of what? DevOps. Mr. Vinay, at least try to know which comes under which category. Please. Not any class. If you come for a DevOps course, which is happening morning 9 a.m., there it is a very tough course, right? Okay. Because I cannot keep everything. Someone asked, will you teach advanced Java? Will you teach what? Already I am adding Hibernate kind of thing. I am adding web service kind of thing, right? So that's when you are not full stack. That is not my problem now, boss. When you ask full stack content to me, you are supposed to be in full stack, right? That too, I am already providing few tools as videos, right, boss? But you want a Jenkins video, Docker video, then what I should teach in DevOps course? I should have something for that DevOps course now, boss. When full stack students are attending that course, mean if I give everything as video to you people, what they will attend in DevOps? Please. See, there's no wrong you expecting, boss, but we have some limitation. What has to be kept in which course, right? Fine. Check it out, guys. Here, so many servers options are there. This is for Apache. This is Oracle related servers, WebLogic server. Come on, guys. Tell me. So for different servers, we have different options here or not here? Red Hat. JBoss is there, guys. Pivotal related some servers are there. But Spring people also given some servers, guys. Okay. Red Hat, JBoss, middleware. Some servers are there or not there, guys? Wildfly server configuration is also possible here. Install it, configure it. How to configure? Go to YouTube. Reference videos will be there. Watch it once and enter the same values here. How to install Wildfly, sir? Spend some time on documentation. They will give the procedure. I have told a Tomcat. Actually, when I take advanced Java, I used to show another 2-3 servers, but it is not in the scope of Spring Boot microservices, right? That's why I'm saying, try it. One fine day, if any topic fastly completed, okay, I will try to show what? At least how to configure Wildfly server in your application. Wildfly server because it is popular server, right? Okay, try it, boss. If it is not happening one day, if any topic is completed bit fastly, that day I will try to run our Spring Boot MVC application in what? Wildfly server. That server I promise. Remaining servers you have to spend the time. Because it's supposed to learn in advanced Java. I cannot spend time on it, right? Okay. When JRTP put request, they will start. Okay. Nothing is there in my hand. I'm ready to take. College placements are there. Placements are going to start. When you will start microservices? Because you have placements, I cannot start microservices. Because tomorrow someone says, my cousin is giving reference, complete Spring today itself. I cannot. Please, if you feel placements are ahead, you should have joined before batches, before batches, right? Okay, see what? It's a system. System won't change because of one individual. Fine, guys. So in the college placement, you commit, you agree that I'm learning, I studied up to this only. So far, I know this only. After all, you are trying as what? Fresher only, na? If you say, I don't know microservices, they are not going to remove you from the job. Yes, na? For a fresher, microservices, added advantage, not the minimum requirement. Okay, guys. Tell me. Yesterday, I think we could not understand my query properly. WebINF view welcome.jsp, web pages, WebIF images report.jpg. First of all, who asked it to keep images in private area? Don't do. Keep in public area. Why? Because container expects certain resources in certain folder only. Right? Okay, guys. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Web app images report dot. Given right path, you only saying right path. Okay, how come it is right path? If it is theme leaf, th colon src, where is at the rate, where is for bracket, dirty fellow. And moreover, dancing, I kept everything ready. If it is theme leaf, you have to give all those stuff or not, guys. Regular MVC only. When I search URL, data slash web page coming, but image is what? Not loading. So sometimes format problem. See the extension of the image properly. See the extension of image. If it is JF, IF, if you give JPG, how does it work? Right, guys? Okay. So global path. In global path environment only my application work. Yesterday's theme leaf is with global path only, na? It works, boss. Somesh Panda. Mistake. Maybe you are doing one mistake which is unnoticeable. So try to put more scanner. Definitely mistake will come out. Try to put more and more scanner. Definitely mistake will come out. Right. Super, guys. Tell me next one. 7 a.m. I think I uploaded. Not uploaded. Yeah. Common topics link is already given, na? Yeah, where is this? Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC. File upload. Tell me, guys. Class content. Where is that? Sir, when I remove global path from handler class, it's working. It works every time, Babu. When it is working in theme leaf, it also works here. Please spend some time. You have to maybe you have to put dots, slashes, experiment until it works. Whatever worked, that is the final one, right? Please don't behave like a kid. Okay, Trimulesh, how many days back I said, after completion of mini project only, I said you can go for a job trial. This is the biggest headache with the online students, boss. Okay? They don't listen classes properly by playing with mobiles. Why don't you come for offline classes if you don't have self-discipline, boss? How many times you ask the same question? Are they asking great questions? No. Sir, can I apply for a job? This point I discussed the moment I completed mini project. And that for mini project, so far 10 extensions we have done, right? Please, online student, I have a big complaint on you people. Throw mobiles phone aside and listen classes. Attend classes regularly. Yeah. 1102, where is that? 20th. Yeah, 19th one not uploaded yesterday. 19th also server, sir. Same, huh? Okay, leave it. 19th yesterday one not uploaded. I think I uploaded on theme leaf one. 18th and 19th together. Same topic, but I uploaded twice, right? Okay. Some people don't even know whether uploaded or not, guys. Fine. Super. Ravi, that's okay. No problem. It happens. Yesterday also not uploaded. Okay. That's great. Stop the server. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Okay. Yes.